Hi. So today we are doing some numericals related to the lens formula. So we know that we have two kind of lenses, convex lens. So let me clear some points that for a convex lens, this is a lens with surface is coming outside, bulging outside. This is called convex lens. Let me delete this. Convex lens. And every time you will be taking its focus positive. Its focus is focal length is equal to positive number, any positive number. Now if you are measuring all the distances from optical center only, so if you are measuring the distance along a direction opposite to incident ray in this direction, then you will have to take negative sign. So if object is kept here, this u must be negative. So focus positive in case of convex lens, object distance negative, and where the image is forming, if it is forming on the in a direction in which ray is coming in the same direction, so then you will be taking V positive. Then you will be taking V positive only. Now for another lens, that is concave lens, you can see that a cave kind of thing is making. This lens is called concave. And if a parallel ray falls on this concave lens, then it is diverged. It goes along this direction. So you cannot obtain a real image because the ray is not meeting at any point. The ray is going away. All the ray after incident will go away from each other this way. So you cannot get the meeting point of the two refracted ray. So you will produce the two rays in back, and when you place your eye over here, you will find that the ray is coming from this point, and this point is called focus. This point is called focus, and you see that focus is just in a direction. When you measure it from optical center, then it is in a direction opposite to the direction of incident ray. So focus you will be taking in case of concave lens negative. If u is along this side and you are measuring that distance from optical center just opposite to the direction of incident ray, then u also becomes negative. But if image is forming along this direction, and that does not happen, image actually always forms in between this optical center and focus along this direction. So you find that image also comes negative. V also in every case, without any fail, V also comes negative. Now let us do one more thing. When you get magnification positive, then virtual image. But if magnification here comes negative, then real image. And real image means inverted image. Means now, if H dash comes positive, means erect image. If it comes negative, it means inverted. image. Now if V is positive, means on the other side of the object. Okay, it is on the positive side of the lens. It is, the image is forming along this side, somewhere here. And if V comes negative, means image is forming at some place here, along the negative direction from optical center. So the question is that an object is placed at a distance of 3 cm from a concave lens. You have a concave lens, an object is placed at, your V is given, okay, U is given 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Let me delete this. 3 centimeter. And you can see that object is along negative direction in which the ray is falling. So you should take it minus. And also the focus of a concave lens is negative. So F also you will be taking minus 12 centimeter. Now you have to find position and nature. So you have to find, firstly V, and for nature you have to find, for nature you will be finding magnification. M, okay. So let me use lens formula. Lens formula, since a lens formula is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Now let me put all the values given with sign, with their sign only, and we will not put the sign on the thing which we are to find. We are to find V, okay, we are to find V here. So we will not put sign on V, and we will write all the rest thing with their signs. So it is minus 3 and F also is minus 12. Therefore 1 upon V comes equal to 1 upon minus 12. Here it becomes minus has become plus. So when you take this on the other side, it will again become minus. So let me take LCM. So this is your minus 1, minus this is 4. Therefore V is equal to, I just inverted the quantity, so it becomes equal to minus 12 upon 5. So image distance is this much centimeter. This is negative. Now you will be finding, and from here you cannot assume about the nature of image, as this minus sign is related to object distance, object position. This will not say you the nature of the image. For nature you will be finding magnification, because this minus sign is related to U only. If U were on the other side, V would come plus, so it does not give you the nature of image. So let me find magnification. Since magnification is equal to, in lens formula, magnification is equal to V upon U, and this is equal to, okay, let me put with the sign only, minus 12 by 5 divided by U is, your U is minus 3. So minus and minus is cancelled, and you find that it comes equal to 12 upon 15. So magnification comes positive. It is positive, so virtual image. Number 1 thing. Number 2 thing, you know the value is 12 by 15 is smaller than 1, so diminished image. And one thing you must know and notice, that image will be forming always in between focus and optical center. In case of a concave lens, image will be forming always in between focus and optical center. Next question. An object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from a convex lens. Now you have a convex lens and you know that its focal length is just along positive direction from optical center. So given, let me write first of all what the things are given. Given u is given, you should take always negative, so it is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Focal length f, for a convex lens it is positive, your focal length is positive, so f is equal to plus 20 centimeter. And these things are given and you have to find position of image. So find v, and for nature you will be finding magnification. So let me see. Now lens formula, 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. So the thing we have to obtain, we will not assign any sign to it, and we will put values of all other quantities like u and f with their signs, and v will come with its sign itself. So it implies that 1 upon v minus 1 upon, in place of u will be writing minus 10, and here you have 1 upon 20. So it implies that 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon 20. Here minus becomes plus, and when it goes on the other side, it again becomes minus. So you get that 1 upon v is equal to, let me take LCM 20, 1 minus 2, and this is equal to minus 1 by 20, and therefore v is equal to minus 20 centimeter. So it is forming on the same side of the object because it is having minus sign. Now let me see magnification. Now magnification. For the nature of the image form, so if, okay, let me write the formula. M is equal to v upon u, and this is equal to, for mirror it is equal to minus v upon u, but for lens it is plus v upon u. So magnification comes equal to, let me put with its sign, minus 20 upon, and u is minus 10 centimeter or meter, whatever the unit you have taken. So unit will be cancelled. Minus sign is cancelled, and this 0 also is cancelled. So m comes equal to plus 2. Here positive sign says m is equal to positive, means virtual image. And second thing, n is greater than 1, so enlarged image. If it was less than, if n was less than 1, then it would have diminished image. And if n is equal to 1, then image size is same. Then size is same as the object size. Now, here you have already got your answer, second answer, and this is your first answer. So V is here, and second answer, your answer number 2, magnification is here. But in case you have magnification less than 1, then the image will be diminished. And if magnification is equal to 1, then image size will be same as object size.